Haley here. It's been a while, but I'm back and hopefully actually back. And I'm here with a Fukabuko or a lucky bag. So this is Wiko X Esther, Wiko Love X Esther. Can't remember like which is exactly, but it was it 10,000 yen? Supposed to be worth up to 100,000 yen. So we're gonna find out. It feels heavy, feels like there's a lot of stuff in it, and I'm excited. So I do want to say one thing beforehand. I use Tenso as a shopping service, and I definitely do not recommend Tenso as a shopping service. I actually paid more for the shipping from Tenso to my home, and there was a small hiccup because of like winter and stuff, and I understood, but at the same time I was like scared that I wasn't gonna get my package. And Tenso pretty much just told me, hey, it's in the States now, you have to figure it out. And I was like, okay. So do not recommend Tenso at all. But it's here. Let's get into the lucky bag. I am rusty right now. And let me just say, I hope nothing is black, even though I literally just saw something black. Oh, frick. It's a black bag. It's cute for someone who likes black, but that's not for me. So, the Princess Club. Cute. I'm probably gonna like sell anything that is black because not my style. Not my style. Ooh. And then here is the blanket that if you've actually like tried to get the Wiko X Esther lucky bag, it actually shows that everyone gets a pink blanket with Esther on it. Or the bunny. I don't know. Esther is the designer. I don't know if the bunny's name is also Esther. Am I saying it wrong? I don't know either. That's okay. So I plot that. Is another bag! This one's actually really cute. Okay. So it's a hollow bag with heart strappies, or clasps? Handles? Handles. There we go. And then it's got chain strap. I'm excited about this. I don't know if this one's like actually Wiko X Esther. It could just be Wiko, but it's cute and I like it. I found it's another black item. Oh, this would have been cute if it wasn't black. Well, it's cute, but it's black. I always have problems with getting items that are black. It's so cute though. I would put it on my head, but my little doobly-doos are on my head, so I'm not gonna put it on my head. Okay. I need to stop like accidentally looking in. Ooh, I feel some nice fabric. Oh. Oh. That's a long pink skirt. Wait, no. Hold on, no, they're pants. A surprise! Okay, I'm actually really excited to try these on. These are definitely a Wiko. Oh my god. Okay, okay. This is exciting. Okay. I feel another piece of fabric. No, it's black. What is it? Okay. It's just a black crop top. It feels nice. Velvety. So it's a velvety black crop top. It's black though. Okay. So, yes! Okay. There's another item. I don't know how many times I've been saying okay. But like there's another item. It is this. And I am like sorry about all the crinkling. But it's pretty much a Wiko X Esther hoodie. You either can get it in black or pink. And I got it in pink! I'm so excited. Look at that cute little red heart. I should stop feeling it up. But it's pink! It's the first item that's pink! And there's little fuzzies on it, but that's okay. Okay. Well, it's the first, like, not pants that I thought was skirt item that is pink. Yeah. Okay, here's another clothing item. Oh god, I hope it's not black. Oh! Oh! Okay, hold on. I accidentally pulled out 2 items. It's fine. This is cute. Mermaid vibes. I'm not super mermaidy, but like in the summer, I'll get them vibes. So this is cute too. My lighting's a little janky, and that's fine. I think it's a good way to start 2018. So here's another shirt. Oh wait, what's this? Oh my god, that's so cute! Okay, so this is Esther and Pink Panther. Pink Panther did a collaboration with Wiko as well. They're peeking out from behind the pocket and not in the pocket. That's cute. Okay. I love that. Okay, here's another clothing item. It kind of feels... Is blank. Oh, it's a black sweater. It says trust me with hearts on it. That's kind of cute. But it's black. Oh man. Getting half and half here though, so like, it's not disappointing, but it's a little bit sad. Okay, another clothing item. Let's hope it's not black. Help me here. Beans. My beans over here. It's white! This is not me, but it is a mood. And it says rich girl. Rich girl, right there. What is this? What does it have on the, hold on the sleeves? I don't... It's got pink money on the sleeves. So like, I'm gonna definitely wear this ironically. Because I am not a rich girl. But it's cute. Okay, is this the last item? I can't tell. It's in a bag again, so sorry for the crinkles. Oh, it's the accessories! Sorry for the crinkles. Unless you like them. Get them crinkles in. Okay. Okay, so I think I actually watched Jillian's vlog, Pixie Lots. It wasn't a vlog, it was a video. What am I talking about? And it looks like she got almost the exact same things as I did. For the accessories at least. Because you can never go wrong with like black fishnets. It's a good time. She got the rainbow belt as well. I got the rainbow belt. It's great. I love it. I've been thinking about like maybe embroidering the belt is a good idea. And now, more crinkles. I got a blue alligator clip. Wait, why can't I? Oh, look! Okay. So it's a little cloud. It's a cloud alligator clip that I like cannot open, so jaws of life over here. Toss. Okay. Let's see. Anything else? There is nothing else in the Wiko bag. Boop-a-doop. So it looks like I actually went through it. I actually liked... Sorry, I'm like looking off to the side because literally tossed my items on the ground. It's fine. I actually liked more than half of the items. I'm kind of really sad that the backpack, this backpack, this guy is black because Jillian got the purple one. Or did she get the pink one? I think she got the purple one. And that was really cute. And I was like, wow, I hope I get that. And I did not. I got the black one. But it's okay. I have friends who will actually love this. And I can sell the black items. It's fine. But in all, I think that this was a very successful lucky bag. So this is great. I'm getting a little over 10 minutes now. I will let you all know that I actually am doing more lucky bags. Like, I think I have 1 or 2 more coming. And I will be doing a 2017 like haul video because I have a few things that I got in 2017 that I like really wanted to do a haul on and I never did because I didn't have a camera and it's been a time. But yeah, so I'll see you all next time. Bye bye, my sweet beans. Boop-a-doop.